Ever wondered how Go avoids the dependency chaos of other languages? Meet go.mod. The go.mod file declares your module path, the unique import address that identifies your project. This is how Go resolves all internal imports. If your module is github.com/mycompany/myapp, that prefix appears in every import path throughout your codebase. The most important job of go.mod is managing dependencies. Inside the require block, every external package your project needs is listed with an exact semantic version. When you run go.get or go.mod tidy, Go automatically updates these entries. No more guessing what version of a library you're running. It's explicitly pinned right there in your file for the whole team to see. Go.mod also specifies the minimum Go version your project requires, ensuring the right language features are available. But here's the real payoff. Because both the Go version and all dependency versions are locked, you get reproducible builds. The same source code produces the same binary on any machine, every time. That's critical for teams. Alongside go.mod sits go.sum, a companion file that stores cryptographic checksums for every downloaded package, allowing Go to verify nothing was tampered with. In short, go.mod is your module's contract. It defines your import path, pins dependency versions, sets the Go version, and guarantees reproducible builds. Like this video for more Go fundamentals. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.